Julian, 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 Julian. I think we got it covered. What are you? Where am I? Pancho, it worked. He let my people.
I ate all the states. I'm a monster. You were so right, pal.
That last one was all Glenn. Just saying.
Another drink.
Or 5 years off your sentence. What do you say?
Hardly stinky at all. With cream soda.
Wow, is that your new superhero voice?
Nope. Just a verde. Melanie the burp on cue is gone. I have nightmares when I don't eat spicy food. Maybe 106 jokes behind, but I feel an epic comeback. Nope, that was my breakfast burrito.